This guy is very hard.
The two technicians, Bensi and Richard Butangi, they will alter now. They interchange the position of motor. This is very critical. You see now the AHU is very small. You see the AHU now, but the two guys are very humble and the good technicians. Also the supervisor Lakshmi Gandhan. See the Bensi and the Richard. See, it's very hard to change, but they will change the position of the motor. It's very good. The nice worker, nice jobber. See the AHU. You see this is the AHU. Wow, that's a medium size, but it's very difficult to change the belt. Now they want to change the position of motor. This is the part, return part. They will work there. This is the return part. After 20 minutes, they will finish the work. Okay, salamat.